Meaning of enfeeble.
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 Enfeeble. Enfeeble means to weaken or make someone or something feeble. The result of enfeeblement can manifest in physical, mental, or emotional forms, leading to a loss of strength, vitality, and resilience. A person who is enfeebled may struggle to perform daily tasks, lack energy and motivation, and become vulnerable to illnesses and diseases. Similarly, an organization or system that is enfeebled may exhibit signs of dysfunction, inefficiency, and instability. Overall, enfeeblement represents a state of reduced capacity and diminished effectiveness.